Hello my dear children, good morning to all. Welcome back to class 10 Geography online class. Today we will focus on map work in chapter 7 Lifelines of National Economy. So in your syllabus you have to study chapter 7 Lifelines of National Economy, locating and labeling. First one, major ports. So what are the major ports? Kandla, Mumbai, Mormugao, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Haldia. Then international airports. Amritsar, that is Raja Jhansi. Then Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Mumbai Airport, it's named as Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Then Chennai, Meenambakkam Airport. Then Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. Then also Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. So, items of locating and labeling may also be given for identification. Okay, children? So, you have to study major ports and airports from chapter 7, Lifelines of National Economy. First of all, let us take major airports in India. So, the major airports are, first one, Amritsar. That is named as Raja Jhansi International Airport, Amritsar. Then second one, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. Chennai Meenambakkam International Airport. Then Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. Then Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. So let's look at the locations of this international airport. So first one, Amritsar, Raja Jhansi International Airport, and it's located in Punjab. Here is the exact place for Raja Jhansi International Airport, and it is located in which state? Yes, Punjab. Then next, Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport. So it is our capital city. Here is the Delhi. So the Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport located in here. Then the next one, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai in Maharashtra. So Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport located in Mumbai at Maharashtra, and the exact place is this. Okay, here is the Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Then next, Meenambakkam International Airport, Chennai, that is in Tamil Nadu. Then it is located here. Then the next, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, that is in West Bengal. Then it is exact places here. So you have to point Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, International Airport in this place, in this area. Okay. Then the next one, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. So it is here. So Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad, situated in Telangana. Then the exact place is this. Okay. These are the important international airport in India. So let's look at again. Amritsar, Raja Jhansi International Airport, that is located in Punjab. Then Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport, that is located in our capital city, Delhi. Here is the exact place. Then the Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport at Maharashtra. Then Chennai Meenambakkam International Airport in Tamil Nadu. Then Hyderabad Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Telangana. Then also Calcutta Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. So Calcutta is in West Bengal. So Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport located in this area. Okay, students. Next is major ports in India. So we have studied about major ports are Kandla, Mumbai, Mormugao, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradeep and Haldia. So this is a map of major ports of India. Okay. So in the western side we have 6 major ports, and also in western coastal area we have Kandla, that is in Gujarat. This is the exact place for Kandla. Then Mumbai in Maharashtra. Then Mormugao in Goa. Then New Mangalore in Karnataka and Kochi in Kerala. So these are the 6 major ports in western coastal side of India. Then eastern coastal land we have Tuticorin, that is in Tamil Nadu. Then again Chennai, that also in Tamil Nadu. Then Visakhapatnam port, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Then Paradeep in Odisha. Then Haldia in West Bengal. So these are the ports in India. So the major ports are Kandla. First one is Kandla. They are located here. So it is the oldest port in our country. Then next one Mumbai. So that is in Maharashtra. Then located here. So Mumbai is the biggest port with a spacious, natural and well-sheltered harbour. Okay, that is Mumbai port. Then the next one Mormugao port, that is in Goa. It is small space, that is Goa. So Mormugao ports in located at Goa. It is the premier iron ore exporting port of the country. So this port accounts for about 50% of India's iron ore export. That is the importance of Mormugao port. Then next is New Mangalore, that is located at Karnataka, near the border of Kerala. It also caters to the export of iron ore from Kudamur mines. Then the next is Kochi, that located at Kerala. Then Kochi is the extreme southwestern port located at the entrance of a lagoon with a natural harbour. That is the specialty of Kochi port. Then it is located at Kerala. Then if we be moving along the eastern coastal line, we would see the extreme southeastern part of Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tuticorin is located at the extreme southeastern part of India. So that is located in Tamil Nadu. So it is a natural harbour and it has rich hinterland also. So it has a flourishing trade handling of a large variety of cargoes to even our neighbouring countries like Sri Lanka, Maldives, etc. and also the coastal region of India. Then the next one, Chennai port. So Chennai port is one of the oldest artificial port of the country. So it is located here in Tamil Nadu. So in Tamil Nadu we have 2 important ports. There are Tuticorin and also Chennai. Then the next is Visakhapatnam port. It is the deepest landlocked and well protected port. This port was originally conceived as an outlet for iron ore export. So it is located in Andhra Pradesh, that is in extreme eastern side of Andhra Pradesh. This is a Visakhapatnam port. And the next port is Paradeep. Paradeep port is located in Odisha. Then specialized in the export of iron ore. Then finally Haldia. Haldia is an inland riverine port. This port serves a very large and rich hinterland of Ganga Brahmaputra basin, and it is a tidal port and also Haldia port was developed as a subsidiary port in order to relieve growing pressure on Kolkata port. So this is a Haldia port and it is located at West Bengal. Here is the exact place for Haldia. Okay children. So let's locate and label these major airports and major seaports on the outline map of India. First of all, international airport. We have to study 6 important international airport, that are Raja Sansi International Airport, Amritsar in Punjab, Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi, then Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, Maharashtra, then Meenambakkam International Airport, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, then Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Calcutta, West Bengal, then Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, these are the exact place of these international airport. So Amritsar Raja Sansi Airport is here. Then here is the Delhi International Airport, that is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Then in Maharashtra, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal is located. Then in Telangana, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad located. Then in Chennai, Meenambakkam International Airport, that is in Tamil Nadu located. Here is the exact place. You have to listen carefully. You have to mark it carefully. Then next is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Calcutta. This is near to the Haldia port. We have studied about Haldia port. It is near to the Haldia port. Okay. So these are the international airports. Then the next is major ports. So major ports are Haldia, that is in Gujarat. Then Mumbai. Then Mormugao here. Can you see the Goa? So mark it inside the Goa, that is in Mormugao port. Then New Mangalore port, that is here. Then Kochi, that is in Kerala and in this side. Then Tuticorin, that is in extreme southern part of India, that is Tuticorin. Then again in Tamil Nadu we have Chennai port. Then also Visakhapatnam port in Andhra Pradesh. Then Paradip port in Odisha. Then at last Haldia port, major ports of India, and it is located in West Bengal. Okay, these are the maps you have to study for your public exam. Okay students, so we have completed our lessons. We have completed our map works. So children, you have to study all these very well for the exam. So children, see you in the next class. Bye.